Students, hope you all are doing good. Student, I am here with the computer subject and the topic name is the helper of the computer. As we have already done that in the previous cards, we have already done the parts of computer. We learned about the parts of computer, and I have uploaded the same topic video in the YouTube also. If you want, you can watch that video also. So today we will going to learn helpers of computer. So let's learn what all are the helpers of the computer. So let's read it. Computer has many helping part which help it to do many more things like printing out papers and recording your voice. Okay, so with computer has a very many helping parts, right? Like printer, you can record your voice, you can listen the music, you can take out the print out with the help of printer. So today we are going to learn that. So let's read it. First helper of the computer is printer. Printer. A printer allow us to print on the paper. Means with the help of printer, if you want to take out the print, you just keep the paper inside this printer and then you can take out the printout from here. Okay, second thing, headphone. This is the headphone. It's look like this. I'm sure many of you know this and you have the headphone at your home also and you use it also. So the headphone are used for listening to the music, right? With the help of the headphone, you can listen the music, you can listen the different kind of sounds which is coming from the computer. Okay, now come to the next one. Next helping of the computer is microphone. This is just like a mic, right? You can record your voice into many. I'm sure many like you have seen this microphone in the television also, right? So you can record your voice into a computer and play it whenever you want. So you can record this your voice with the help of microphone also. Okay, this is a webcam. Webcam is just like a camera. A webcam is used to capture and share images, right? You can, as we doing the video call also, right, in the phone, but we can do the video call with the help of webcam in the computer also. Laptop already have it, right? If many of the students have a laptop at home, so they can just see the screen on the laptop. There is one small camera, so that is the webcam. And in the desktop, if you want to attach the webcam, you can just need to buy that. Okay, now next one is pen drive. I'm sure many of you students have seen this. This is the pen drive. Pen drive can store lot of computer work. Means if you have like if you have done any work in the computer and now you want to save it in the pen drive, you can save it. Means you can store so many information and work inside the pen drive. Compact disc, CD. Compact disc is round in shape and has a shiny surface. I'm sure many of you have seen the CD also, right? The shape of the CD like this, and it has a one more circle and it has a shiny surface. So that is the CD. The full form of CD is compact disc. Okay, student. So these are the helpings of the computer. Helpers of the computer. Printer, headphone. You need to learn the helpers of the computer. Printer, headphone, microphone, webcam, pen drive, and compact disc. So let's do one question related to the chapter. Unscramble the word and write down the correct word in the space. This is the spelling which is not in the correct order. We have to find out and write in the name. It's NPRIOUTT. So what is this? It's PRINT, print, OUT, out, print out. So you have to unscramble it. Okay, it's a PHONEDEAHE. So it's a HEAD, head phone. That is why I just want to tell you that just learn the name of the helper of the computer, then you can easily solve this question, because if you have learned this, then you can easily write down the spelling after reading this. BEWCMA. So it's a BEB web, CAM webcam. Okay, now PNEDRAIVE. DIRVE. So it's a PENDRIVE, pen drive. So let's read it again. Printout, headphone, webcam and pen drive. Okay student, so student, I have one more activity for you related to this chapter. Draw, find and explain the function of the words. Means you have to write at least one or two lines about the uses or function of the webcam, printer and headphone, and also you have to draw the picture here and then fill the color. Okay student, so student, I hope today you have learned about the helper of the computer and their functions. And so very soon I'll come with a new chapter. Till then, take care of yourself and stay at home. Bye bye.